Some of my camper van buddies think that this particular hack is just a little bit too niche, but I disagree because I think it's simple for anyone who meets the following criteria. First of all, you've got a built-in loo shower room. 2, you might want a gap in the night for a wee. 3, you're going to be stumbling around in the dark, half asleep, trying to find the light switch. 4, once you've found the light switch, you do not want to be woken up by bright Wembley Stadium lights in your loo. And 5, you're so much of a van nerd, you're desperate for the next hack to build, having exhausted all the others. So pretty much everyone, really. This is the PIR Loo Light Hack. So this is my loo cum shower in my Renault Master medium wheelbase. There's a fisheye view here, get a better look of it. You probably see I use those LED strips that you can buy rolls of. Loads of light, great for washing, shaving, showering, that sort of thing. See what you're doing. But at night it's just too bright, it wakes me up. Now this is the view looking down my van. So at night, no problem, I can just find my way to the loo. You can see there's little LEDs and things around, just enough light to help me find my way. But when I go inside, I do not want that bright light to wake me up. So this is what I've done. I put in a night light. When I stumble sleepily into the loo at night, I've just got this light. And you notice I didn't even have to turn it on. 12 volt PIR sensor. So this is the bit of magic that drives it, and of course it's not magic, it's just a PIR sensor which basically is measures the infrared signal coming off a body, basically heat, and switches on and off. So it's exactly the same thing as you have on your security light on the outside of your house. Someone walks by, it fires up the light, except for this is just a switch, and it's of course it's not mains electric, it's 12 volts. So that's the sensor there. On the side you've got, if I can put it in there, on the side you've got how long you can set how long it's on for, and that's your connections. 12 volt input there, output to your light there. Actually it's between 12 and 24, it's variable. My only criticism was that on the actual unit it doesn't mark the polarity. It was on the instructions, so I just put some marks on the connectors so I knew what was what. Minus, minus, plus, plus. So 4 to 5 quid on eBay. Just search for a 12 volt PIR switch and they'll pop up. That's the sort of price coming from China. I tend to get a lot of stuff direct from China. You can pay a bit more and get a local supplier if you want to be a bit of a hurry, but be under no illusions, they will come from China. So a hack for the common people. I don't think it's niche. 12 volt PIR Loo Light Hack.